Can you believe this view? I'm traveling in Toronto, staying with Shalini, my best friend from college. She's an avid reader, like she even carries her books to the loo. She wants to use this space for a proper reading spot, and I couldn't agree more. This space is huge, you could do so much with it. I'm thrilled to share with you guys how it all turned out. So let's get started. We wanted to do both corners. Starting with this end, we are fixing the bamboo mats we picked up from Chinatown. They're quite inexpensive, but you can hardly tell. They're lightweight and easy to work with. I'm from India and I know these are easily available in my city too. I'm liking the tropical vibes from this enclosure. Moving on to the other corner, we are trying to add this curtain as a backdrop. Not sure how well it goes with the decor. I guess we'll find out. The plan is to have floor seating on that corner and a couple of chairs on this corner for times when you do not want to sit on the floor. We scored this lovely soft rug and the fluffy dog bed from one of the HomeSense stores here in downtown. Next, we are adding a bunch of cushions. If you're crazy for color like me, make sure you layer different colors, textures and patterns together. To make this space more lively, we are introducing plenty of plants. Adding plants in different heights is visually more appealing than just putting them next to each other. Also, the planters double up as decor accents. Make sure to get really cute ones. Next, we are adding a mini Zen garden with a tiny Buddha. It came with this little sand kit. We thought we could make a decent pattern on it, but looks like we can't. Probably leave it alone. So that's the final look. If the weather doesn't allow it, you can simply recreate a similar look indoors as well. Don't think that it's impractical because you can't be outside when it's raining or when it's cold. You'll miss out on an amazing time during summer. This took me less than an hour to put together. It's amazing how some easy and quick changes make a huge difference to a space. That's the end of our balcony makeover. I hope you like it. Now it's your turn to post a picture of your balcony makeover. Tag me on Instagram at I'm Hamsi. See you in the next one.